In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Moltres in Cobbleverse. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make your way towards the nether dimension, because Zapdos is only going to appear in the nether, and we're going to need to find a structure or a tower, more specifically in the nether. So make another portal like you normally would, then enter it. Okay guys, so once you're here in the nether, now let's begin looking for the structure. The structure is going to be located in the nether waste biome. So it's not going to appear in like the warp forest or the crimson forest or anything like that. You are going to need to find the waste biome. Or if you have commands turned on, what you could also do is you could use the /locate command. Now for simplicity purposes, I'm going to be using the /locate command. So it is /locate and then structure. Then look up Cobbleverse right over here. Scroll down and then you will see Moltres right over here. So just select the Moltres and then press on enter. Then you want to teleport to the coordinates, and it is going to be the coordinates to the nearest Moltres tower. All right, and then there you go. It is then going to teleport you, and you should be able to find the Moltres tower. So here's how it does look like. As you can tell, there's like a bunch of lava everywhere and stuff like that. And out of the 3 legendary birds, this is by far the more difficult one to find, because obviously you're in the nether and there's like so many dangers and stuff. So anyways, you just want to go ahead and just make your way inside, and then it is going to give you something that looks like this. You want to open up this chest, and it's going to give you a ember feather. And once you have the feather, go ahead and right click on this altar, and then it is going to spawn Moltres. And then from here, you're able to capture Moltres, you're able to battle it and stuff like that. Now, this is actually a little bit difficult because there's actually some loot inside the tower. So I recommend going over here to the sides and then making your way up here. And then you're going to see a barrel. And if you open the barrel, you're going to get a smithing template. You're also going to get some fire gems, a blaze powder, and a blaze rod as well. But of course, you also are able to go ahead and capture Moltres once you're here. Keep in mind that there's a bunch of lava, so be prepared. I recommend getting fire resistant potions. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.